Alrighty, there we go. It's nice to meet you all. I'm Aditi, a senior product manager on the Jira team, and today I'm very excited to share with you AI work item creation from a few different integrations. This feature makes it super easy for you to capture your work within the context of where you're already working today. It's available across a few different integrations, including Confluence, Gmail, and Teams. Over the past few months, the team has been hard at work improving these features and also providing support for additional integrations. This feature is available for standard, premium, and enterprise customers today. How it works is we use the context of your conversation, whether that be in Teams or Gmail, or your content in Confluence to generate a summary and description of your work so that you can very quickly capture it without the need to copy or paste or switch context. And so, of course, the big question is why? What are the benefits? As I mentioned, the first one is being able to capture that work instantly so that you can turn your conversations and content into work items without switching tools. This helps you stay organized because AI ensures that every ticket has clear and complete information, ensuring that nothing gets missed. It also boosts team productivity because you're able to spend less time documenting and more time getting things done. Finally, as with all of our AI features, they're built for privacy. Your data stays secure and protected at every step throughout this process. I'm going to show you a demo of how you can create work items from a Gmail conversation. So let's imagine that you have a conversation with your manager about a marketing copy change. You want to update the copy for your upcoming launch of an iOS app. And so you have a conversation about what needs to be done. You get some copy reviewed, get some feedback, and you're ready to now go ahead and actually work on this. Using the Atlassian integration in Gmail, you can select the site and necessary project and select AI as the preferred option in order to generate these work items. When we click create, the feature is going to take that context from the Gmail conversation to let you know what the summary is and also generate a description based on this. We can go ahead and click create, and it is really that easy. This is probably one of the quickest demos you're going to see here today because it takes a very short amount of time to generate that summary and description for you. However, that's not all. So we've created this, but there's always going to be additional information that we can add. We can go directly to that work item from here and start to fill it out with some additional information. So here, I'd like to improve the description. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and it'll very quickly generate a summary with a description with additional context, including the summary and the acceptance criteria as well. Let's go ahead and replace that. We can save it, and that's not all. Let's say I want to add subtasks. Let's do that, and AI is there with you again, generating suggested work items based on the information here. Let's view those suggestions and we can go ahead and accept or decline them in line. For now, I'm just going to create them all. What this has done is use the context from the work item here, including the summary and description, to provide suggestions on how we can break down these work items and provide suggestions on these child work items here. And that is it. So there you go. Within a few minutes, you're able to go from a long Gmail conversation to a nicely fleshed out work item with all the necessary information and even break it down further. Thanks for listening.